Hi guys, how's everybody doing today? Of course you can see now we're doing sinking funds, and since there were only 5 of these cute little envelopes, I pulled out the one for October, which is Halloween. So we are going to get started, and if you saw my video yesterday, you will understand I'm not counting these because there's 1s and 5s mixed in together. We're just going to roll the dice and put them into each one. I hope everybody is having a very blessed Wednesday. October's already crazy. So we're going to get ready for this. And now I have Mr. Rudy who wants to try to make his appearance today. So yesterday it was Gracie and today it is Rudy. And he sneezes a lot. He's got allergies. And here he comes. This is Mr. Rudy. The story yesterday was, if you didn't hear it, Rudy and his sister was dropped off at our house, and I do not understand how a gray cat and a Siamese cat came out of the same litter, but they did. And he is the most lovingest, most gentlest baby ever. I know, Mommy loves you. I love all of my fur babies. And of course, they're little God's creatures, so we had to take them in and take care of them. Because that's what God would want us to do. Ain't it, Rudy? Huh? Come over here and let me get some snuggles. And then you're going to have to get down because I got to do my video. Okay? Okay? Alright. Okay, guys. So I'm going to try to get Rudy down. They don't never come and see me until I start doing a video. And if I had a hair bow, I could keep him entertained because he loves to steal my hair bows. So this is what we're going to do. As always, I know I just messed that up, or Ruby did one. We roll the dice and we put the money in what envelope. So we have a 2. The yard and garden, that is a really good secret thing for me, because if you all hadn't followed me, and I needed this one. I don't know if I told you guys yesterday in the video, the roll the dice big challenge that I was doing, like you roll the dice and you times it by 2. Yeah, I had to pull that money because I needed 2 front tires for my car. So this one's going to be a really good one to do, and I may just keep, reprinting it and using it over and over if I get it done. And this one's there. Home maintenance is always a good thing to have. Yard and garden. Technology. I love that with the old phone on it. These are also made from the Happy Mailbox Company on Etsy. And it's Lisa Grateful Me over on YouTube. They do such a wonderful job on hers. I tried to make them. I'm nowhere near it. I'm not that talented, I guess. So, I hope everybody's doing well. I know there's a lot of craziness going on in this world, and I do appreciate you all taking time and just stopping by and listening to me. And, I guess I watch a lot of videos to try to get out of the weirdness of everything that's been going on. Try to stay away from the news, but it's kind of hard to do when you have 2 old geezers in power trying to make sure they have their stance in the world. But for us believers, we know what's going on. We know that we need to prepare, be prepared, and not be scared, guys. It's the only thing you have to do is be prepared and not scared. That's what I'm trying to do. Oh my goodness. And here's Miss Gracie again. No, you can't have my dice. Miss Gracie. Okay. Shoot. I'm confused now. She's done got everything all mixed up. I hope this was the right one. Okay, so we're over here at Halloween. Life with cats is never boring. So let's see. Are all these ones? Yep. Gracie. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this one got 7. Gracie, honey, come on, baby. Y'all go on the porch. Oh, goodness. We have a screened-in porch, and I let them go out on the porch. So 2, 4, and 3 is 7. Let me double make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, 7. And this one is going for my Smart Pay loan. Some of these is marked on where they're going. Some of them aren't. So you might see that later. Crafts and hobbies. 1, 2. $2 for it. I'm sorry if you can hear the dryer in the background. I'm trying to get some laundry done up again today. It seems like it's all I do is laundry. Laundry every day. So we will put that there. I just love little mini savings challenges. They're so cute and so fun. Car maintenance. I wished I would have had that one sooner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will do a 3 and a 2. That's a bright yellow. Can y'all see that? That's bright. I like it. I like bright colors. Bright colors just make me happy. Have your all's leaves started to change yet? Ours is trying to, but they are just so... They're not looking too good this year. We've had a dry summer. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we will do the 3s. 3, 6, 9. We've had a dry summer. We had a spell in the spring where it rained really, really good. And yeah, this weather is crazy. If y'all seen my community post, you should have seen the clouds that were hanging around Monday. Monday was crazy. Monday the clouds were just, I don't know what was going on with clouds, but they were weird. So yard and garden got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will do 3, 6, and a 2. So that one's done. And then home maintenance got 11. So we will do the 3s. 3, 6, 9, 11. So, yeah, life's been crazy. Okay, guys, I really appreciate everybody who has watched my channel. Continue to watch because there's going to be some exciting new things coming, and I can't wait to brief you all on everything. So, remember to always wear a smile because your smile can make somebody's day. Don't be scared. Be prepared. I love you guys. Bye.